Welcome to Leonardo AI. In today's video, if you are looking to grasp knowledge quickly without missing important details, you are in the right place. Stay tuned as we share essential information, useful tips, and unique perspectives to help you understand more in just a few minutes. Let's start. Leonardo AI is one of the most popular and powerful image generator models. You can create any kind of high-quality image with Leonardo AI. However, creating consistent character images was very challenging. But after the release of the recent massive update, you can now create unlimited consistent character images with Leonardo AI. In this video, I will share the method of creating consistent character images with Leonardo AI. So without further ado, let's dive in. First of all, create a new account or log in to your existing account. Once you are logged in, your interface will be like this. Here you will find various features of Leonardo AI to create images. You can even create videos with the motion option. Today, as I will talk only about how to create consistent character images with Leonardo AI, I won't talk about other features. Let's come to the image generation tool. Your interface will be like this once you click on the image generation tool. Let's have a look. This is the prompt box. Now you will notice an image uploader option here. If you click on it, you will notice some new features such as style reference, character reference, and content reference. Today I will use this character reference to create consistent character images. Before going there, let's create a new character image for our new virtual model. After entering the text, press the Create button, and this is our image ready. They are really beautiful.
Wow!
Now you can select one of them as your new virtual influencer model. If you are not satisfied with the model image, you can customize the setting and generate more customized images. The recent update to Leonardo AI has greatly improved the ability to create consistent character images. The new features, such as pose to image and preset styles, make it a superior image.
Thanks for watching ShareSale AI. If you found this summary helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated with our latest videos. See you in the next one.